if we get into our first question, it is, I feel worthless. I have dreams, but I'm not good enough to chase and achieve them. I'm a 26-year-old male, and I feel like I'm useless. It's not like I don't have a dream. I want to be a cybersecurity professional, a writer as well. In addition, I can't help comparing myself to all my colleagues who earn a lot more than me, who have friends. I feel like I'm running out of time. I failed to figure out how to do any of those things. So the first thing that I wanted to tell you is that, number one, you're not running out of time. And number two is, speaking of time, you have all the time in the world to achieve anything that you want, any dream, any skill, any hobby. Whoever's listening to this, you have enough time. If you feel like you don't have enough time, I want you to do me a favor and look at your screen time on your phone right now. If you spend 4 hours, 3 hours, 6 maybe even on your phone, then you have enough time to learn any skill you want. Mind you, we all need entertainment. I'm not saying that we don't need entertainment. I'm just saying that you have all of the skills. You have all the time in the world to achieve your skills. You got YouTube on your phone. You got Skillshare on your phone. You got all masterclass. You have anything. You have everything to get. You have all the tools, modern society, to chase your dream. The reason why is that, again, you're getting in your own way. You don't have a why, but you have to figure out what's your why. Without a why, your dream is fragile, your goals are fragile, because at any moment they could shatter because you have no motivation behind them. If you ain't got no motivation behind any of your goals, of course they're gonna fizzle out. So maybe in this circumstance, you don't really want to do that, because if you really wanted to do that, you would have attacked it. You want to eat today, so you ate because you had to. Same thing with your goal. You wanted to. Same thing with your goals. You have to be able to think about it like eating. It's necessary that I do this every single day. Not to take it to the extreme where you're going to die, but to the point where if you don't, you get angry with yourself, because you need to be able to find your why. You need to light the match to create the spark to get your fire going. And another thing, I don't want anybody listening to this to ever compare themselves to either their friends, a celebrity, or an entertainer. I don't want you to ever do that. That's not fair to you, and you are better than that. That thinking like that, don't ever compare yourself. Because again, we always wanted to chase other people's dreams. We always want to look at other people's lives and say, I wish I had this, I wish I had that. So, but what does that do to you? Think about it. What realistically? You idolizing other people, you looking at their stories, you're feeling bad about yourself. What does that do for you? It only makes yourself feel worse. It only brings misery and self-loathing. So don't ever compare yourselves to other people, because again, the grass is always greener on the other side. You look at somebody and you want their life, or you're starting to compare yourself. Let me tell you that their life may not be happy. They might look at you the same way you look at them. So don't compare yourself to other people. You're better than that. And you have to start small. Don't think about it at the end. Don't think about it at the finish line. Think about it at the very beginning. Think about your goal. You got small daily goals, and slowly start to attack them every single day. Because once you have your why, you can attack any goal that you have. Any goal. But you got to be able to start from zero. And you got to be able to reevaluate your time. How's my time being proportioned? Is it being sucked away by technology? If so, let me put the phone down. Let me be more conscious about the way that I'm on my screen time. Another thing is that, do you have, again, most people have, there's a difference between dream and a goal. See, a dream is something that you fantasize about. A dream is something that's unattainable. A goal is something that you can achieve right now. Do you have a dream, or do you have a goal? If you have a dream, you're most likely never going to get to that point. You got a goal, that's something that you know how to do and you know how to attack, that's when you truly succeed. That's how you start to build up your, if you want to call it a dream, a goal, your motivation, your end game. That's how you do it, by having goals, not dreams. These are something that you sleep in. Goals are something that you attack in. So that's how you want to build up your confidence, your ability to hit your goals, hit your targets. And even if, let's say hypothetically speaking, you do envy that person. Let's say you envy a friend, or you want to be like a friend. You should also humble yourself and ask them for help. Let's say they're really big into, I don't know, cybersecurity. You gotta be able to humble yourself to ask a friend who you envy for help, because they are more willing to help you if they are a positive person, they're a decent human being, they're gonna help you out. And also, these people who you compare yourselves to, these celebrities, these entrepreneurs, they are in that position for a reason. Elon Musk did not get in his position for no reason. LeBron James did not get in his position for no reason. It comes every single day. They are working at their craft. We like fantasizing about the end goal, but do you know how hard it was to get to even the starting position where somebody could even recognize them? You understand how hard it is for somebody to even get recognized, to even get to a little bit of success, how much work it takes? But no, we like to just think about it at the end game. Oh, it's easy to do that, right? It's easy to become an NBA player, right? No, it's not. You and a lot of other people, including me at a certain point in time, we like to think about the end game. We like to think about the end goal. We have to be able to stop. We have to cut that off. That mentality is wrong. Cut it off. So again, you're not worthless. I'm going to tell you this. Look, I want everybody to hear this. You are not worthless. You are special. You got talents. You have the wrong mindset. You have the wrong programming in you. You have nobody to tell you that you can do something. I'm here to tell you that you can. I'm here to take the chains off of your own brain for you to realize that you can do anything you want. You're getting in your own way. You're not worthless. Just because once somebody says that they're worthless, I know that misery has won. You want to be able to kick misery out the door and be happy, be positive. You keep telling yourself you're worthless, and I'm telling you, you're going to keep thinking like that. You're never going to hit your dreams. You're never going to hit your goals. You keep telling yourself you're worthless. Get out of that mindset. Attack life. You're going to be able to get through it.